What is up, UKULIMBAKERS, and welcome to another video tutorial. This song is requested by Princess Cathy. She said she wants to learn Awesome God and make it easy, sabi niya. So we're doing an easy tutorial of this song, and this is for you and for those who want to learn the same song. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you need to know is the strumming pattern. We only use two types of strumming pattern. First is down, down, or 1, 2. The next is down, 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 or 1 and 2. Okay? So those strumming patterns are going to be used from the beginning to end. The first strumming pattern, yung down, down, doon natin siya gagamitin sa umpisa. Yung down, 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 we're going to use it sa end ng song. Okay? And these are the chords that you're going to use for this song. Before we continue, I'd like to say thanks to the 444 subscribers of this channel. Maraming salamat po sa suporta ninyo. Okay? I'm going to make more video tutorial for you so that I can help more people playing tiny instruments. Alright? So first we are using C, G, right? We have D, E minor, and E minor. That's all. So if you don't know those chords, please learn them one by one. Let me give you a quick tutorial. C, only one chord here in the 3rd fret. 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. Dito tayo sa 3rd fret, sa pinakababa. Okay, G is like this. So it sounds like this. Yan. So dalawang fingers yan dito. Ito yung 1, ito yung 2. Nandito siya, ito sa gitna. Ito. D, all the strings on the top. Sa taas, dito sa 2nd fret. You may have it like this or this way. It's up to you. Regardless kung saan kayo komportable, yun na lang. Okay? Now, E minor looks like a ladder. And A minor is only the first string dito. Okay? And don't forget to tune your ukulele in standard tuning. We have here C, G, C, E, A. Okay? G, C, E, and A. Sa keyboard, it goes G4, C4, E4, and A4 if hindi ako nagkakamali. Okay? Alright, so before we continue with our tutorial proper, I'd like to give a big shout out to Kuya Jun Amparo. Okay, Kuya Jun Amparo is my workmate, colleague here in a school in Saraburi, and he wrote his 2nd book. His 1st book is about finances. Now his 2nd book is about family or husband. This book is entitled The Necktie Approach, you know, para maging better husband ka. So if you're a wife and you want to have a, you know, happy marriage, buy this book and give this book as a gift to your husband. If you're a husband and you want to have a happier life, it's about time to buy this book. Okay? And at sa mga katulad ko po na soon to be husband pa lang, it's a good preparation, di ba? So, etong book na ito ay practical book. He's a man of his own words. This man is applying his book in his own life. Okay? Bibigyan ko po kayo ng isa dito. Necktie, it's an acronym. Yung letter I sa bandang dulo. Improve your listening skills. Husbands should not only listen to their wives with their ears, but also with their hearts and minds. So, diba? Napakaganda po ng sinabi niya. Here's the book. Ito po yung likod. Ayan. So, I'm gonna put his link down there. If you want to order this book, just click the link and go directly to him. Okay po? Let me have a quick sip. Let's proceed with the song. So our chord progression, I'm going to post it on your screen right there. At dito naman yung inyong strumming pattern. Okay? So the first sequence of our chord progression is C, G, D, E minor. And all chords, each of them has 2 beats or down, down. So let's try to listen. Okay? The next sequence goes C, G. Now, instead of going D, it is replaced by A minor. And then back to E minor. That's all. This is an easy song. Although it's a very awesome song because we have an awesome God, diba? So, every chord has 2 beats only. Just for the sake na gawin natin itong easy. Parinig ko po sa inyo. Sounds like this. That's all. Ulit-ulitin na lang po natin yun. Okay? So, mag-iiba lang siya. To put dynamics, we're going to put 1 and 2. Okay? Our God, down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Now, let's try to put some songs or lyric or humming. Our God is an awesome God. He reigns from heaven above with wisdom, power, now we're going to change the strumming pattern. Okay, so ulit-ulitin nyo lang po yun, and that is the song. There you go. If you learned something today, please do like and share this video with other people that you know. At mag-benefit din sila sa song na ito if they are playing ukulele. Also, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. UKULIMBAKERS, good night. Gabi dito, malamig. Tulog na tayo. Hindi, pupunta ako ng airport mamaya. Daldalin. Bye-bye.